Today we are looking at a HENKE quick cracker. This unit is a 24-inch. It has corn rolls in it. This unit has been purchased by a gentleman here in Illinois. He ordered it with the single-phase motor option. We put a brand new 10 horsepower single-phase electric motor on this unit. In a minute we will fire it up. But before we do that, I'm just going to do a walk around of it so you can see the unit. The adjustment here, this adjusts the gap of the roller mill rolls, is free. It's easy to position. We put all new belts on this unit. We have the belt guards installed so you can't see them, but we put all new V-belts on this unit. Hopefully you can see up inside of the unit. You can see between the rolls. The rolls are in excellent shape. We can see down inside of the unit, this unit has scalping magnets. You can see them right there. Those keep metal, nuts and bolts, nails, anything that's steel out of the roller mill. The flow adjustment here is easy. Able to move it by one hand. You loosen it up, it'll get easier, and then when you have it set, you tighten it. I have it closed now. Now we are going to fire the unit up so you can see it run. All right, I've got it connected to our power source. Fires right up. Hums right along. Runs nice and smooth, nice and quiet. We can see the input shaft there turning. This unit has a full set of safety shields. Again, this unit was completely rebuilt by us here at Commodity Traders International. Again, that motor is brand new. We offered this unit with 3-phase and single-phase options. The customer that bought this chose the single-phase option. It's just an all-around nice unit. It's nice and bright. We disassembled this unit, thoroughly sandblasted everything. The rolls are in excellent shape. It has all new belts. This unit is completely rebuilt. We have a wide variety of seed, feed, or other material handling equipment. Feel free to give us a call or check out our website. This unit is being sold through us here at Commodity Traders International. Thank you for watching.